Hello! This video is how to make plant-based dark chocolate with chili. A great idea for Valentine's Day. That's what you need. I use organic peanut butter and Maldon sea salt for garnish. Put chili flakes and Maldon sea salt into mold. Put the hot water in a large bowl, then another bowl on top. This will help the ingredients dissolve. Add 200 grams of melted coconut oil and 100 grams of maple syrup. Also, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste and mix well. Then, add 170 grams of peanut butter and mix well. Add a pinch of salt and half teaspoon of chili powder, then mix well. Shift 95 grams of cacao powder and mix well. Pour the chocolate into mold. Put in the chocolate into your fridge for at least 4 hours. After 4 hours, remove the chocolate from the mold. It's easy, isn't it? The taste of rich dark chocolate with the warmth of chili. Enjoy making this Valentine's treat. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click subscribe for more videos.